watching ReShoe, where I set out to restore, repurpose and rejuvenate all types of dress shoes. Stick around if you're interested. Hello everyone and welcome back to ReShoe. In this video I'm planning to rejuvenate this pair of women's high-heeled Chelsea boots that belong to my girlfriend. Also, I plan to make my case for the importance of shoe care for women's shoes and boots as well, because, at least from what I've seen on the internet, there is a pretty big community for shoe care enthusiasts among men. However, I haven't seen much content being put out on the importance of shoe care for ladies' footwear, which is equally as important. As you can see, the steps will be listed in the bottom left corner of the video, and with that being said, I will talk to you at the end. Enjoy the process. This is some transformation, huh? I'm very proud of how they turned out. I think this is my best mirror shine I have ever achieved. And I hope I have made my point regarding the importance of shoe care and shoe shining for ladies' footwear as well. Gentlemen, if you want to make your lady happy, well, you just gotta take care of her shoes. If you enjoyed the video, I encourage you to like, subscribe, leave a comment and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell so you can stay up to date with every time I post a new video. I'll see you next time. Stay shiny.